Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a very simple tricks. We all have microwave at home. So I'm going to show you very simple tricks using microwave which can reduce your time while you cook in kitchen. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to peel garlic, which is very fast. You can just press the garlic clove and it comes out like a bullet. Take a whole garlic, put it in a bowl. Put it for 30 seconds in normal power. Here comes the garlic out. And see how simple it is. Remove the garlic, press it and comes out. See how easy it is? The taste remains the same and you saved a lot of time.